Every time there is a contest going on in the world. But do you know the biggest rivalry currently going on? It's between social media and society. The social media is creating a virtual society for everyone. And I believe it has already created, which is called Metaverse. And because of this, maybe people are actually going away from the real society. It's evident that even doctors are saying people are not actually following nature's law. And that's the reason they are slowly and gradually eradicating those things which are beneficial for health, mind, and everyone. But yes, the virtual reality is becoming a reality. Artificial intelligence is becoming an intelligence. In which world we are going to live in? Are we creating a world? Or we are actually trying to destroy it? It's a $1 million question, right? To me, it is indeed. But the major thing is, why are we losing ourselves? We are looking for money. We're looking for peace at the same point of time. So whenever there is a question on money, there's a time involved. Without utilizing your time, you would not be able to earn money. And if you are looking for peace, you have to give yourself time so that you don't have to utilize the time for money. So you are actually creating a paradigm which cannot be fixed. You're looking for two things at one point of time which will never ever meet. So are we really living in a virtual society or in a real society? We are actually going through a phase where we have lost our mind, or rather slowly and gradually losing it and giving it to someone else. Please understand, the creators are not actually consumers. So it's up to you whether you want to live in a metaverse or in this universe. Psychosocial. Break the barriers.